All right, YouTube, what's going on? What's going on? Today we got, boom, the TPOB blade. And we got the trimmer. We ordered the whole set. Trimmer, shaver, trimmer, and boom, the clipper. Now these are both, it's not two of the same, it's the same clipper. It's just a different way that you can style your clipper. The trimmer also comes with that. Boom, you can change this out, change that out, change this out. And obviously, this is a shaver. Boom, you can change it out right there. So to get into it, this has 3 hours of runtime, magnetic floating blade, interchangeable rubber grip, and a 62 whatever it is motor, durable motor. So boom, same exact thing. This comes with the pencil blade. This is the trimmer. 3 hours runtime, interchangeable grips. These are the little things right there. And this is how strong the motor is. Battery. This is a dual speed motor. So this is a little bit different than the other ones. This is a 5-hour runtime. 5 hours is crazy. 5-hour runtime. The other things was 3. This comes with the XO play blade and an interchangeable rubber grip. So for these two right here, we're gonna move the shaver out of the way. And y'all, like with these today, these are very, very good. I was like crazy surprised on how they work and stuff. We're gonna zoom out for y'all a little bit. So these right here, I ordered, so this comes with the pencil blade and this comes with the XO blade, boom. But they have a something that's called a chunk blade that can fit on these, and you could change it out for the chunk blade. And then this one has I think it's called the Psycho blade, a Psycho blade. But this one comes with the pencil blade. This pencil blade is so small and tiny, but it works very good. If you know what you're doing, if you have the proper line prep, as y'all will see in this video, you know, you're gonna love it. Just do my line prep. A lot of people don't know what they're doing when it comes to line prep. So boom, first we're gonna get into what we're gonna get into first. The trimmer. We're gonna do the trimmer first. Boom, you open it up. They got all this crazy stuff. Tpob is known. If you look at Tpob stuff, it's all this. Look at all this. All this crazy design. That's Tpob right there. Boom. Everything look crazy. Everybody look crazy. So inside the box, it comes with a plan fit. Boom. Play plan fit. We're gonna put that to the side. This is the rubber grip that you can interchange with the on the trimmer, and these are the 2 spaces that you can change as well. This goes to the charging stand and this goes to the trimmer. It also comes with this. Boom. This is a screwdriver. This is the charging dock. I mean, this is the charging port, charging dock, and this is the wire that you plug into the stand. We're gonna take this out real quick. Comes in a nice wrap, and y'all, I got gloves on right now, but man, these things feel premium. They really do feel premium. I'm not just saying that. You screw this out, you put the white one in here, but it's a nice looking charger. Now let's move this over because that's irritating me. Boom, look how nice that looks, y'all. Let y'all get a look at it. This plugs into here. Boom. Plugs into the wall, and there you go. Sit your trimmer, sit your clipper on it. Since we do have the clipper, this is some oil. Obviously, every clipper should come with an oil. I don't want to screw this off. I guess you got to press down for this. Very good for keeping it away from kids. You got to press down and then screw it out. You're gonna screw that back on now. A little brush, so you can brush your trimmer. We're gonna put all that back in there, and then we have another screwdriver. Oh, I don't know. It's like a smaller, it's like a weird looking screwdriver. I think this is how you set the blade, because the blade is a little bit different than any other trimmer that I've come across for the way that it's built. And this is a, boom, this is a something. I guess this is how you set the blade as well. And it comes with like 2 little screws. I guess 2 little replacement screws. And this is the trimmer right here, boom. Y'all, these trimmers feel very, very premium. Very premium. Boom. TPOB. We're gonna try to zoom in for y'all. Look how good that looks. Just like that. Got plenty on the side. Rubber grip. Make sure I look at the back. We're gonna take this off. This is so you can protect your trimmer. And then boom, this is what it looks like. Boom, pencil blade. And I don't know if y'all could tell. We're gonna zoom in for y'all a little bit. I don't know if y'all could tell, but this trimmer looks like it'll feel good. And it does. It feels very, very good in hand. And this is the pencil blade. I'm gonna show y'all the regular blade. We're gonna get the high vis for y'all to use wall. It's not the same size with it as it come like as like width. But it's kind of made the same exact way with it coming out and going up. This is really meant for like designs. It do sharp lineups as y'all will see. You're gonna get the Cocos compared to the Cocos. Look how small this blade is. And then we're gonna get the Stylecraft lovers who love the Stylecraft. I do have some wall seams. I mean, not some wall seams, but some wall detailers. We're not gonna get them out right now. Stylecraft blade. Boom, we're doing a full breakdown. I don't know how to zero gap these, y'all. In this video that y'all about to see, these clippers, this is without being zero gap, how these clippers work. As you can see, this is how the blade comes. It's close to zero gap, but not zero gap all the way. Boom. Turn it on, nice green light right there, indicating light if it's charged or not, or if it's on. Boom, very, very, very nice trimmer. Look at that, and it feels great in hand, y'all. It feels like premium, y'all. That's the only way I could explain it. So I don't know if this comes off. It doesn't come off. I think you gotta screw this off. Screw it off right here to change this thing to white if you want it to be white. Y'all, we're about to do a test on how loud it is. I'm about to put it close to the mic. You could barely even hear it. You can't hear it. The mic not even picking it up. Let me turn the mic up. All the way up to 12. So that's what it sounds like right here. This is what it sounds like all the way around. You can't even hear it. You can barely hear it. This clipper, this trimmer is extremely quiet, y'all. All right, y'all. Now we have the shaver, the foil shaver, or the shaver. Boom. This has another kind of like, we're gonna try to show y'all real quick. Boom. This is what the foil shaver inside looks like. It's an all black coating. Tpob right there. Boom, a dude with a tree limb. Steam coming out the dude there. Tpob known for like, I guess he known for like crazy stuff like that. So we're gonna remove this. This is what it comes in. Boom. Pamphlet. Boom. Charging dock. Same thing as the other one. It's an all black charging dock. You just put the shaver on it. This is a very nice looking charging dock. Boom. Just like that. Boom. We're gonna zoom in a little bit for y'all. Comes with this. This is the interchangeable rubber grip. And these are the coatings that you could put on there. You could put one of these white ones on here, and put this on the shaver right there. Boom. We're gonna put all this to the side. It also comes with a brush, some lubricant, as y'all can see, and it comes with 8. It comes with 8 mini screws. Charging stand, obviously, and then boom. Put that back in there. You're gonna put this back in the thing. Matter of fact, no, you're not. But this is what y'all want to see. Boom. Very nice, very sleek, very good looking trimmer. This is like a metal piece right here. This right here is rubber grip. It's a rubber grip. These feel really nice. Everything in this thing feels really nice. It's a magnet right there, so it's not a lot of clamping on. I know with my Babeless, we're gonna get the Babeless out for y'all real quick. All right, so with Babeless, this is the Babeless UV shaver. And this one right here, you know, when you clean it, this starts to come off. But it's a very amazing shaver. Boom. But with this one, you kind of gotta, it goes on there, but you gotta snap it on there. Like, this is a very good shaver though. I love this UV light shaver. I got it last year at the Tpob Expo. But this one kind of just seamlessly just, you don't really have to put no pressure on it. It just goes on there. Look at that. Let me try to show y'all. You can do it without no, you know. And they do have 2 modes on here. 2 motors on here. Boom. Less power. Boom. And then they got the top tier power or whatnot. Very good looking shaver, y'all. So highly recommend. I haven't used it yet, but I know it's going to be good whenever the time comes down to use it. So all right, so this is what y'all have all been waiting for. We have the Tpob Play Clipper. The clipper is very good as well. 5-hour runtime. The XO blade we will be getting. We ordered the chunk blade already, and we ordered that psycho blade for the trimmer, and that will be coming in shortly. And I will be showing y'all how it performs with those two blades as well. Pamphlet as always. Boom, we're gonna put that to the side. And these are all the guards that it comes with. It comes with all of these guards. It comes up to the number 4 guard. So we have the 4 guard. Y'all can see 4 guard, 3, 2, the half guard, the 1.5, the 1 guard, and the 0.5. The 1.5, the smallest guard that comes in now. I'm gonna just put these back. These guards work pretty well. I don't feel like it smudges around the hair too bad or anything like that. It's a pretty good guard set. I don't know if he comes out or he has more premium guards, but these work just fine for it as I was using it, as y'all will see in the video today. It comes with a screwdriver, boom, same as all the other ones. This for the charging dock. This is the charging dock. We're gonna take this out, remove this wrap. Boom, very good. This looks exactly like, and y'all, the packaging seems like one is a white one. Boom. We're gonna zoom in so y'all can see a lot better. Boom, charging dock, put that to the side. Interchangeable rubber grip. This is the white one that you can put on your trimmer, and these right here. Boom. You can put that on the clipper, and you can put the other one right here on the charging dock. This right here, this is oil. I'm not too sure what this is. I don't know if this is a zero gapping tool. We'll have to find out, see what it is. So, and then this is the clipper. Boom. Look at that. And it feels amazing in hand, y'all. I can't stress out enough how like amazing these feel. And they're like extremely quiet. All the tools are extremely quiet. So take this off. This is the protector. And then boom, they're on. Y'all, you cannot hear these at all. These are probably the most quietest clippers that I've ever had in my life of cutting hair. And I'm not like over exaggerating it or not. And this is full power. It do have 2 modes. It's on. You switch it on off. It turns off. Takes a little minute for the light to go off. Turn it on. Boom. Turn on again. Boom. Full power. It is click level system 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is good for maintaining fades, for managing your blends, and just helps a lot of beginner barbers, y'all. This click level system is key if you're a beginner barber and you're looking for something nice. These are very, very cheap, y'all. I got all of this. I got the trimmer, I got the clipper, I got the shaver for under $200, which is insane. I think they had like a fire deal, and I had got the Babyless Boost, the Babyless Boost. You know, I was thinking about getting the clipper, but I was like, man, like let me just get. It had popped up in my head because he always running like little ads and stuff like that. So your ads are working, Tpob. So boom, the ad came on, and I went to go purchase these. They had that deal, and I went to go purchase these. But these are very, very good. These take the bald guideline out. Y'all, I haven't even tampered with the blade yet. It's close to zero gap, but I haven't tampered with this blade. I haven't tampered with the trimmer blade, and they both act like they want to cut like elite, like they working on an elite level hair cutting thing. Look, they got this right here. You take this out, you can hang up your clipper like that. Boom, charging thing. Put it on here, charges like that. This is amazing, great, good looking, feeling clipper and trimmer set. So we're gonna get back into the videos, y'all. Boom, we're gonna get back. We're gonna get into the videos, how it cuts, how it performs, and whatnot, and show y'all what it do, y'all. And I'm doing this on my page. Tpob is about to come out with the Play Minis. So I'm trying to get them to send me a pair of the Play Mini so we can review it on this channel and bring that to y'all. Every single month I'll be reviewing a clipper. I'll be reviewing a clipper set. I'll try to buy a whole clipper set, so y'all, we gonna waste my money so y'all can see exactly what y'all want to buy. I feel like a lot of reviews don't really show the full power or the full capabilities of a particular clipper and a trimmer. Shave is kind of giving, like it's like a, you know, all you gotta do with a shaver, and that's it. But like stuff like this, you gotta, it takes real skill to really show what a clipper and trimmer can do, and hopefully y'all can see that in this video. And I'm gonna pop up a little video that I did on my Instagram. Maybe it might pop up or might not. But man, these work to like, these are very, very good for the price range, for how much power they got. They're quiet. They don't seem like they got a lot of power, but they do. Y'all, these are very good cordless clippers and trimmer sets. So hopefully y'all like this video. We're about to get straight into the video. I've been talking for forever. This has been about 20 minutes. This video might be an hour long, y'all. So let's dive straight into the video.
Benny, please don't do anything crazy.